If you're like most homeowners, you don't think about your central air conditioner until it fails. The truth is that if you wait to perform maintenance and don't get yearly AC tune-ups, you'll spend more to cool your home and pay more for repairs. For example, did you know that simply changing your air filter at regular intervals can save you as much as 5 to 15% on your energy bills? That's according to energy.gov. In fact, as your unit ages, gets dirty, and starts experiencing wear and tear, it becomes less energy efficient. Getting regular maintenance and yearly tune-ups can help you prevent catastrophic failures and keep your AC running efficiently. Here at Best Air Conditioning and Heating, we have the AC services you need. Don't wait. Call us today at 936-213-5116.